Hello, this is the hardware fasteners that you need for the Pro model and the windshields for the regular cruiser. If you're gonna work on installing a Pro model, you may just need this set. Okay, so this is probably the only things that you're gonna use. But if you're working in a regular cruiser, you will need the two washers and just remove one of this. This should be an extra one. Okay, so at this time we're gonna work on a regular cruiser. We're gonna use just this set. Okay, on the windshield, if you purchase the folding windshield, it's gonna come with two brackets, one of like this one and the other one over here, and we already have installed it. Just make sure that this piece needs to be on the outside of the, like, facing the car, okay, this side, and the other one, the passenger, should be the one that it's like this. Okay, so for this one you just need to push it here and make sure that it goes center to the hole for the bolt, for the screw. Okay, the next step should be from the driver's side. Well, to me it's better for the driver's side, but you can do it a positive, it doesn't matter. But we're gonna use the fixed nut, the plastic washer, and the little washer from this side with the screwdriver. Okay, you're gonna use a Phillips number 3, and this is the way that you're gonna do it. You're gonna put inside the little washer, and then you're gonna tighten from this side this too. Okay, so this is the way, and this is the way for the bottom one. For the top one, it's gonna be the next sequence. Okay, from the inner side we're gonna use the washer and the screw that it comes with the kit. If your kit doesn't come with this washer, you can just put this bracket on top and you should be fine. And from the outside, it's not necessary installing another plastic washer, since this little plastic does that separation, or it separate from the metal, from the pillar, so your windshield is not gonna be in touch every time with the frame. Okay, so this is the way that you need. Just fix it nut, the metal washer, and this is all you need from the top. Okay, the next step, and I just want to make sure, you need to leave this loose, so at the time you're gonna install the bottom side of the windshield, it's not gonna be like tight or something, and it's gonna be more easier for installing in the car. So we're gonna grab the lower side of the windshield, and we're gonna push it over here. Just make sure that the nuts are in the correct place, and that's it. Next step should be installing all the fasteners for this side. Put the plastic washer between the windshield and the pillar, like this, and then we're gonna put the fastener nut here, and from the inside the little screw with the washer. Okay, so we're gonna get here. Before installing the hardware for this side, you will need to install the upper side of the windshield. So you just need to make pressure with your fingers over here, like here, to twist it a little bit, and then you can just make sure to install the windshield on the side that it is, like this over here, and then from here like that. Okay, so we're gonna secure this here, making sure that it's not gonna fall. And we can proceed installing the windshield, the hardware for this one. That it's just a fixing knob. We need to make sure that it goes, because it has a flat spot here. So we're gonna put it here like that. The nut, the screw with the washer on the inside. Okay, once we get all the fasteners and the windshield installed in place, it's time to tighten. We're gonna use a Phillips 3 number 3 for this job. And that's it.